Hi friends, today we are proud to present you the winner of our concert Safety at Work. So we are categorized 17 categories. So first safe worker is 17th place, the delivery man. So he is delivering pipe, but he is not using any vehicle. He is using his back. And next 16th is the grinder. Generally, we are seeing lot of grinder in our construction industry areas. Those type of people are using like that. So he is getting 16th place. Next 15th place, the machine. The machine, especially while he is working at height, he is using jugaad, temporary scaffold. Next 14th place is the welder. The welder, while doing welding work, instead of welding wood, he is using some paper with glass. This is also not suitable for welding work. So next 13th place, the luggage handler. So the luggage handler is handling luggages, shifting in airport one place to another place. The 12th place, the painter. While doing painting activity, they are using manpower to lift. That's why he is getting 12th place. 11th place, the shipyard mechanic. While shipyard, any repairs and all came, so check it. By mistakenly, the three peoples, one of the people they lose automatically. This will happen 1902-2006. Whatever photos we are taken, we are directly taken from site, that is we are informed to you. So next 10th place is the air conditioner installation. Generally we are seeing air condition installations as well as TV disc installations. Generally they are working like that. So this is also unsafe act while fixing air conditioner AC. So he is using manpower. This is also dangerous, high risk activity. So ninth place is the construction site worker. Generally construction site workers are not having any knowledge. They all are uneducated peoples. Most of the peoples are not uneducated peoples. We need to give more communication, more trainings, more awareness programs. Then the people are aware about the hazards as well as controls. So this is one of the our task. We need to conduct continuously, daily, toolbox talk, motivational programs. So while shifting the machine, he is using instead of instead of helmet, he is using some sponge. This is happened in Maharashtra. So 8th place is the expert in biological weapon. The expert in biological weapon, they are searching some biological experts. The 7th place is the WMD warehouse manager. Warehouse manager, while they shifting the 6th place is the car mechanic. The car mechanic, while doing some car repair, he is using some plywood or some runners instead of jacks. This is also high risk activity. That's why we are given category 6. The 5th place, the electrician. Generally either construction or industrial site, most of the accidents happen either work at height or electricity. Generally we are saying ऊंचाई पे काम गिरने का खतरा electricity से मरने का खतरा. Like that we are generally we are saying. So fifth place is electrician. While installation the some light he is using aluminum ladder and he is putting on water. Generally this is the most unsafe activity. If in case of any leakage will happen, directly contact the electrical city. So next fourth place is the erection team. Generally construction side as well as industrial side we have more erection works while at work. So generally we are using forklift he is not using sufficient as well as proper. So he is using 2 forklifts. This is the most dangerous activity. High severity is there if in case of second forklift fell on first forklift, so persons may be chances fatality. So that's the reason we are given fourth place. The third place is the power cable installer. So the power cable installer generally they are not using any ladders, but here something using, but this is also not suitable for that activity. Generally we can use MEWP, man elevated working platform. Those cases man elevated working platforms are not available, you can use sufficient lengthy ladders while this activity. So that's the reason he is getting third place. The second place is aircraft mechanic. While aircraft is on air, at the time he is feeling some fan stuck, at the time he is going to be check, he came outside. This is the most danger activity, and the winner is city council mechanical team, maintenance team. So this and all those people already seen various locations, that's why we are getting first rank. The final a special prize to a shooting gallery assistant. So he is getting a special prize on that year 622. No chance if in case of shooting man is bullet miss, directly fatality. So these are for entertainment and unsafe acts, some unsafe condition. You find it your area, you can correct it. If you are avoid those unsafe conditions, unsafe act, it will be lead as accidents. So you can find it and you can correct it, those unsafe conditions, unsafe acts, then you are safe.